Yeah, I saw that on YouTube not too long ago, and I thought, wow.
Yeah, cool.
Pretty darn impressive.
Made a flight a little while ago. Took about 2.5 rolls of filament, and the extra half roll is because of misprints and the teacher's not listening to me.
Yeah, 3D printing, it's going to revolutionize things. Neat looking.
Where's the guy that makes the file green? He's been like check something. Check the file? Check your file.
Yeah.
You buy the file for like $30.
And it's beautiful.
They keep saying it's Wonder Woman's invisible plane.
Yeah.
That's some pretty flying if you can do it.
Sounds good, looks good. Nice takeoff.
Yeah, each section CA together. That's your weakest points. They got some pins, but
interlocking pins.
Yeah, but it's still their weak point. Flies pretty good.
Yeah, it looks like it flies on rails.
Well, you can see that invisible plane.
It almost gets invisible. I know, so you just need to do circles.
Do maneuvers that brings it home safe.
Yeah. See if I can shoot a good one.
It's actually on RC. I mean, well, that's where most of that guy's stuff is on RC group stuff. But he moved it over to Facebook. How many cell battery does that have?
It's 6 cells, but it's
6 cell.
It's 2 3 cells that we had to drop in together. Just because it's
nice flying.
Not enough room.